Are you a leader who is a searcher for consensus, or are you a molder of consensus? It's actually a quote by Martin Luther King about the genuine leader is a leader who is not a searcher for consensus, but a searcher, or sorry, molder of consensus. What does it mean? It could mean, it could be implied to two different areas. One of the areas is being a leader of teams, of societies, of countries. Another way of looking at it could be for our own self-leadership, and I'm gonna explain a little bit more. My name is Lucy, and I am a business and personal coach, and I'm working especially with startups and small business owners. And these both aspects are very applicable, and I love talking about self-leadership because I believe that's where everything starts. If we cannot control ourselves, then we don't get things done, then we cannot follow our mission and vision, and we can create what we really want. So any leadership, in my opinion at least, starts with self-leadership. When we look at how can we apply this quote by Martin Luther King to a self-leadership? So he says, let me look so I make sure I get it right, not a searcher for consensus, but a molder of consensus. So if we search for consensus, we want to get approval. We want to please. We want to feel good, right? We want to connect to somebody who agrees with us. We don't want to deal with the discomfort of negotiation and hearing even opinions that maybe are not aligned with what we want. Versus leader who is a molder of consensus can hear all the different opinions and find a unity, find a way how to unite all the team members, all society members in the bigger scales. Let's go to the smaller scale. All the team members, so they all work together well to the common objective, the common goal, to the common vision, mission of the company and the business. So how does it apply to a self-leadership, to our own life, to our own decision making? Well, let's say when it's a searcher for consensus, for, let's say, making this video as an example, I will use myself as an example. So each of us have different preferences, different values that might sometimes clash. Just like on a team, there are different team members who have different opinions. We as people can have different preferences, different wants and needs that ask for our attention, and they maybe are telling us to do certain things. Let's say with my video making, there are two different parts of me. One is the perfectionist who would love to have a perfect video with my perfect accent, which is not possible, or said grammatically correctly and perfectly, and make an impact, be a great speaker, and have a great, amazing sound and video quality, so it's really beautiful. And then there is this part who is, let's call her contributor, who is saying, you know what, better done than perfect, because at least you get to contribute. At least you get to grow through this experience. So I would say it's contributor and a grower in that part. And I need to have those parts of me talk together and agree on the bigger vision, on the bigger mission, which is the contribution. That is what we really want, to make an impact and grow. And even when this video is not perfect, even when I probably say something wrong, hopefully it still will have an impact on at least one person and help them discover something new and grow, or pause and think for a moment. What kind of goal do I have? That I have conflicting things. It could be about weight loss. It could be about hiring or firing somebody. What kind of conflicting parts of you are inside of you? And if you could have them talk it out, could you agree on a solution that is for the highest good of you, and what would it look like? So this is my contribution for today, and I hope at least one person will receive something valuable out of it. I'll see you tomorrow. Talk to you then. Bye.